Fed up with a neglected home? Transform your space with the efficient SIMPSON CM61083 pressure washer. Compact and powerful, it cleans decks, patios, and more at the push of a button. The offer includes quality accessories. Its 208cc CRX engine generates 3,400 psi at 2.5 GPM, effectively cleaning any surface. With a maintenance-free axial pump and premium accessories, this pressure washer is durable and easy to use. Its compact design and steel frame with pneumatic wheels make it easy to store and move. Ready to use, it saves time and effort. Rated up to 8,500 UC, suitable for medium to large tasks, it cleans up to 1,700 square feet per hour. The detergent injection system improves efficiency and saves water. 2-year limited warranty on motor, pump, and frame. Although it has disadvantages, such as noise level and fuel consumption, its advantages far outweigh them. Invest in the efficiency of the SIMPSON CM61083 today and enjoy a spotless home. Don't think twice. Find the SIMPSON CM61083 pressure washer in the link in the description of this video.